Picture this for a second. You're asleep, but your digital twin is still online, answering questions, teaching a class, or even closing sales for your business. Well, that's exactly what Akool makes possible. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete platform where you can build lifelike avatars, swap faces, generate videos, and even clone your own voice. And the wild part, it's so simple that literally anyone can do it. In today's video, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, you'll have your own fully functional talking AI avatar, ready to use for tutorials, content creation, or even customer support.
So before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more tutorials on AI and web development coming your way. Now, let's get started.
So guys, this is Akool's official website. I will leave the link to this website down below in the description box of this video. Akool is much more than just a simple avatar generator. This platform allows you to host meetings with your own digital twin, create tutorials, and even run online courses while you sleep. It's truly a complete tool hub for content creators, and at the same time, a serious enterprise solution built for real business use. With Akool, you can generate images, create videos, do face swapping on both images and videos, produce voiceovers, and even clone voices. Major companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and many others are already making use of this platform. To get started using Akool, go ahead and open the first link in the description box and sign up for a free account. After you sign up, you would be directed to your accounts dashboard. Right here, you can see this API option that lets you integrate your custom avatar into your own platform, like your live website. So it's not just lucked into Akool's platform environment. But to use API, you must have a premium account. On the right side, we have a panel that showcases all of AI tools. We have avatar video, which is a new feature. Next is the streaming avatar, video translation, talking avatar, face swap, image to video, image generator, voice lab, and etc. So first, let's start by creating a talking avatar. So here we have Akool's avatar generating interface. Here we have some ready-to-use avatars, and you can even view more public avatars by selecting this View All. Now, if you want something quick, you can pick one of these avatars right away. In different races, genders, outfits, and backgrounds, all of these are public avatars that you are free to use them. Now, let's say you want to create your own avatar. For that, let's select on this Create New button. So here we have 4 options to create our custom avatar. First option is the basic avatar, the easiest way to generate any avatar with just a description or an image. Basic avatar is not supported in streaming avatar. Next is the instant avatar. You can upload a video of yourself around 5 to 60 seconds, and it will generate an avatar based on your video. The generation process takes in between 1 to 60 minutes. The next option is Studio Avatar that lets you to generate a premium avatar, which is exclusively fine-tuned for each user, delivers unparalleled realism and precision for a lifelike digital presence. But to use this option, you should upgrade your account to Pro. And final option is the Ultra Avatar that lets you to create ultra-realistic avatars with gestures and emotions supported, but it also needs you to upgrade your account to Pro. So now let's go ahead and first create a basic talking avatar. Here you'll see the option to either generate an avatar with a description or with an image. Let's go with the image option. And here you can either upload your own personal photo or choose one of the demo images that Akool has provided for us. Once the image is selected, you'll see a field where you can describe your avatar's motion. Just type in how you want the avatar to move, then click on Generate Avatar. This step costs 20 tokens, and the generation process for a basic avatar doesn't take long. After a few minutes, our avatar is ready. Now scroll down to the text box. Here, type in the script you want your avatar to speak. Right below, you'll find the voice preview section. Let's preview it.
AI, as it stands, doesn't feel emotions.
As you can hear, the default voice doesn't really match our male avatar. So let's fix that. Click on the voice settings.
Hi there.
Filter the options so it only shows male voices, and then choose one that fits better.
Hi there. This is my voice. I hope it. Hi there. This is my voice.
If you want to make it even more personal, you can clone your own voice. Just upload a short voice file, wait for it to process, and Akool will generate a cloned version of your voice. I already have mine set up, so I'll go ahead and select my cloned voice.
Hello, I'm your personalized AI voice. Nice to meet you. I hope my voice brings your content to life.
And then click Confirm. Perfect. Now, another feature you might find useful is the face swap option. Click on it, and here you can upload any face image from your computer, or you can use one of the sample models provided by Akool. As you can see, face swapping costs 4 tokens, which is pretty fair. Let's test it with one of their models. And there we go. The result looks completely natural, right? Finally, let's move on to generating the final avatar. You'll see 2 resolution options, 1080p and 4K. Since 4K is only available for Pro accounts, we'll stick with 1080p for now. And the process will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see the finished result displayed right at the bottom of the screen.
AI, as it stands, doesn't feel emotions. It analyzes data patterns, tone of voice, facial expressions, and context to simulate an understanding of emotions. In the future, AI will likely get so advanced at reading signals and responding appropriately that it might seem like it truly understands.
Great. As you can see, it sounds really realistic with natural gestures and high-quality lip sync. Right below the video, we have several options. You can download the video, share it, delete it, or even post it into the community and earn from it. Pretty handy if you want to showcase your creations. Now, let's move on to the streaming avatar section. Here we see a super realistic avatar that looks very natural. Let's test out what this avatar can actually do. Down below, let's select this chat button to enable chat mode. Once activated, you can connect your camera and speak with the avatar interactively, use your microphone, or even upload a voice recording. You can also control her gestures from this panel. Inside the input box, let's ask her a question like, do you think AI will ever be able to truly understand human emotions and context the way people do? Or will it always just be simulating understanding? Now let's hear her reply.
I think AI will always be simulating understanding, rather than truly grasping human emotions and context like people do. While AI can analyze data and recognize patterns, the depth of human experience and emotional nuance is something that remains uniquely human.
And here we go. She responds instantly, and the answer feels pretty amazing, right? What's more, we can also switch the chat mode from conversation to repeat mode. In repeat mode, you simply type in a script and the avatar will speak it out for you. This makes it very useful for presentations, tutorials, or announcements.
AI can become incredibly good at appearing to understand emotions, but it will always be simulation, not real human empathy.
Okay, but this one really seems to cross the line. Over on the right side, you've probably noticed 2 more options. Here, you can change the language of the avatar as well as the voice. You can even upload your own custom voice if you want a fully personalized result. Now let's take a look at the knowledge base feature, which is located right at the top. When you click on it, you'll see the setup panel. The first field is name. Here you give your knowledge base a title. For example, if you're setting up an avatar as a sales representative, you could name it sales rep, or if it's for customer support, maybe support assistant. Next, we have the opening statement. This is the first line your avatar will say at the start of a conversation. For instance, you could write something like, "Hi, I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?" Below that is the prompt box. This is where you describe your avatar's role and personality in detail. The avatar will use this description to guide how it responds to questions. Finally, we have the docs section. Here you can upload files directly by clicking the purple Choose Files or Drag and Drop button, or you can paste in a website link. This is very powerful because the avatar will pull knowledge directly from these documents or links to answer questions more accurately. So by filling out these sections, you're essentially training your avatar with the exact information you want it to know. Once set up, the avatar will respond to users' questions not with generic answers, but with content that is tailored to your business or project. Now let's create our own custom streaming avatar. Here, let's select Create New Avatar. As I said earlier, the Studio Avatar and Ultra Avatar options are not available for free accounts, so let's go ahead with the Instant Avatar. The first step shows us the instructions which explain how to get the best results. In the next step, you can either record a video directly or upload one. Let's choose the Upload option, and I'll select a short video around 30 seconds long. Now let's click Submit, and there we go. The video is uploading. Once the upload is complete, the system asks us to pick a name for our avatar. I'll type in a name, then select Submit. Finally, it confirms your video has been uploaded and your instant avatar is being processed and will be ready within 60 minutes. Pretty straightforward. To check the progress, just click on the avatar button and go to the My Avatar section. Here we can see the avatar's creation is still processing. Once it's done generating, you can simply click on it to see it in action. There we go. Our avatar is ready. The first thing we want to do is choose its voice. In my case, I'll select my own custom voice that I cloned earlier. Next, let's switch the chat mode from repeat to conversation. Now let's try it out. I'll ask the avatar, how do you think AI can help us handle large amounts of work more efficiently without completely replacing the need for human skills and decision-making? And here's the response.
AI can significantly enhance our ability to manage large workloads by automating repetitive tasks and providing insights that can inform decision-making. Here are a few ways AI can assist without completely replacing human skills.
Looks amazing. Now let's test the repeat mode. I'll enter a short script and the avatar speaks it back perfectly with realistic gestures and expressions.
AI streaming avatars could be very helpful as online storekeepers because they can interact with customers in real time, answer common questions about products, give recommendations, and guide people through the buying process anytime without needing a human to be present 24/7.
Pretty natural, right? This feature could be extremely useful for content creators, educators, or even businesses that want to build interactive digital assistants. It's quick to set up, easy to manage, and the results look highly professional. Wrapping it up. So that's it, my friends. We've just walked through the full process of creating a working AI avatar. You saw how it can speak, gesture, teach, and even hold real conversations. We started with a simple photo, explored custom voice options, tested repeat mode, and switched to live chat to see how natural the interaction feels. What makes this exciting is how Akool simplifies everything. Instead of spending hours on complicated tools, you get a platform that is smooth, fast, and professional. It's more than just avatars. It's a complete hub for creators and businesses. Whether you want to automate your content, provide personalized customer support, or even build your own digital twin, everything you need is right here in one place. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried building your own AI avatar yet? Drop your experience in the comments, or if you're new, just follow the link in the description and give it a try yourself. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. I've got plenty more tutorials coming up to help you level up with AI and web development. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.